Are you looking for a luxury home in an established neighborhood in Overland Park with a convenient location, incredible amenities, top-rated Blue Valley schools, and a peaceful, family-friendly vibe? Well, today I'm taking you to a neighborhood that one of you requested for me to visit, Brookhighland, which is one of Overland Park's most desirable communities. Stick around until the end because today I'm taking an inside look at what makes this neighborhood so special, including home prices, local amenities, and why so many people love living here. Who knows? It just may be the perfect neighborhood for you. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Living in Kansas City. My name is Cheryl McCormick, and I'm an agent with the Rob Ellerman team at Reese Nichols Real Estate, which is the #1 real estate team in all of Kansas City. I am your source for everything real estate in Kansas City, and I have the resources to help you every step of the way. I was born and raised right here in Kansas City, and I've lived here the majority of my life, mostly in suburbs on the Kansas side. I absolutely love my city, which is why I make these videos. And I love exploring the best neighborhoods in and around Johnson County, Kansas. And today I'm taking you to a great one, Brookhighland. So let's dive right in. First, let's start out with a little background information about Overland Park, Kansas. Overland Park is one of the largest suburbs of Kansas City on the Kansas side, with a population approaching about 200,000. Not only is it one of the largest suburbs of Kansas City, but it's also one of the most desirable suburbs of Kansas City as well. Niche.com in 2024 ranked Overland Park the #2 best city to buy a house in America, the #7 best city to raise a family in America, which is up one spot from the previous year, and the #8 city to live in America, also up one spot from the previous year. And guys, we're not just talking about Kansas or Kansas City, but in the entire country. And I can attest to how great it is because it's where my family and I choose to live, and we absolutely love it. Niche.com also says that Overland Park is one of the best places to live in Kansas and gives it an overall rating of A+. And the community we're visiting today is served by the award-winning Blue Valley School District. Niche.com ranks the Blue Valley School District the #1 school district in the entire state of Kansas. The district was also named a top 100 district in the entire nation at #69. So now let's get into the nitty-gritty about Brookhighland. Brookhighland is a beautiful established neighborhood located at 145th and Switzer Road in South Overland Park. It's also just minutes away from top shopping, dining, and entertainment with easy access to highways, grocery stores, and the best of all of Overland Park. I love this location because it's close to everything and it's not too far south, which is where you're going to have to go if you want new construction in Overland Park. Most of the homes here were custom built by some of Johnson County's top builders between 2000 and 2004, giving the community a unique charm that stands the test of time. Homes in Brookhighland typically range in a price from the low 500s up to the high 800s, with larger homes occasionally selling for over $1 million. Now, let's talk about what you can expect inside these homes. The homes in Brookhighland are high-end homes with tons of extras. Most homes in Brookhighland have either a 1.5-story or 2-story layouts with 4 to 5 bedrooms and have spacious floor plans with over 5,000 plus square feet of living space. And most were custom designed with high-end finishes. Think custom kitchens, stone fireplaces, hardwood floors, and elegant details throughout. And many of them have walkout basements, which are perfect for entertaining with wet bars, wine cellars, game rooms, and home theaters. There are also plenty of treed lots and green space here, some homes back to wooded areas, creeks, or even the community lake for added privacy and scenic views. People love it so much here that there were only 2 homes sold in Brookhighland this past year, one for $830,000 and another for $1.2 million. Here's the home that sold in 2024 for $830,000. It's a 5-bedroom, 5 full, and 1 half bath, 1.5-story custom built home with 5,312 square feet that was built in 2003. The exterior is all brick, which is a great bonus. It also has a stone wine bar in the entertaining lower level, and it also backs to green space. And now here's the second home that sold in 2024, this one for $1,215,000. This home is a 1.5-story home built in 2005 with 4 bedrooms, 3 full and 2 half baths, and a massive 7,776 square feet. It's on a large 0.4-acre treed lot that backs to a creek. The walkout basement showcases brick walls around the wet bar, a wine cellar, a rec room, a game room, an exercise room, an office, plus a bonus room and a work area. This one literally has almost everything. Now let's talk about the amenities and lifestyle in Brookhighland. Living in Brookhighland means having access to some fantastic neighborhood amenities, including a community pool, which is perfect for cooling off in the summer. It also has walking trails and green space where you can enjoy nature right in your own backyard. There's also a sports court and a play area, which is great for families. And for more practical purposes, there's curbside trash and recycling pickup, which is very convenient for busy homeowners. And one of the biggest reasons that buyers love Brookhighland is its location within the #1 ranked award-winning Blue Valley School District. Kids here attend Harmony Elementary, Harmony Middle School, and Blue Valley Northwest High School. As I said earlier, Blue Valley schools are known for top-tier academics, strong sports programs, and a great sense of community, making Brookhighland a great choice for families. So now let's go take a drive around Brookhighland so that you can get a better look. Thanks for exploring Brookhighland with me today. This neighborhood offers a rare mix of top-notch amenities with a fabulous location and excellent schools. Not many homes tend to go up for sale here, so if you think Brookhighland may be the perfect neighborhood for you, reach out so that I can help. If you would like more information about Brookhighland or any other community in the Kansas City area, please reach out. I would love to help you find your perfect home in your perfect neighborhood at your perfect price point. So, whether you're planning to move in 9 days or in 90 days, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or schedule a Zoom call. All of my information is in the description so that I can help you make your move to Kansas City or within the Kansas City area a smooth and easy one. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. For more facts about places you might call home, and for exclusive community tours and real estate insights about communities in Kansas City suburbs, including Overland Park, Lenexa, Spring Hill, Prairie Village, Leawood, Olathe, DeSoto, Shawnee, and Lewisburg. And please leave a comment, as your comments help me create content that is useful to you. And I promise that I read and respond to each one. In fact, I had a request to make a video about this neighborhood, and I would be happy to make other videos that you would like to see. So until next time, this is Cheryl McCormick from Living in Kansas City signing off. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video.